Dear visitors, that ship has sailed is a phrase we often use to mark a lost opportunity. But for you as participants at the SMN in Hamburg, every ship that leaves the port and sets sail is an opportunity. You all came to Hamburg to talk about these opportunities. As a former mayor of this beautiful city, let me tell you that you came to precisely the right place. It is for good reason that Hamburg is known as Germany's Tor zur Welt, our country's gateway to the world. There is no other city or region in Germany where shipping plays such an important role, where shipping is so deeply anchored in the everyday lives of citizens. And few other cities have embraced change and new opportunities as consistently as Hamburg, from its roots as a Hanseatic trading post to its present as a global hub for logistics, digital services and technology. So, without a doubt, Hamburg is the perfect location for the SMM. Today your sector too is facing unprecedented change, but also unprecedented opportunities. At present, seagoing vessels already carry around 90% of global goods traffic, and the importance of shipping will only increase. Just think about the growing role it plays in ensuring the global energy supply, from LNG to hydrogen in the future. When a container vessel recently blocked the Suez Canal, for a few days we all witnessed in real time just how quickly the interruption of such a transport route hampers the global economy. So shipping continues to be fundamental for global trade and economic growth. Consequently, every innovation in the maritime sector benefits the global economy as a whole. Large-scale automation and digitization offer huge opportunities in this regard. Many of your companies are pioneers in those fields. Or take climate change. In Europe, we are currently finding out how severely hot and dry summers affect riverbeds and commercial navigation. So ships with shallower drafts will be needed in the future. But climate change does not just present a challenge to shipping itself. A decarbonized maritime sector, from carbon-neutral vessels to offshore wind parks, is also indispensable for reaching our climate goals. That is why the strong focus the SMM puts on climate-friendly technologies and the green transformation is more than welcome. The German government is committed to supporting the maritime sector in its green and digital transition, for example by supporting innovative shipbuilding. To successfully achieve this transformation, both cutting-edge technology and bold entrepreneurship are needed. The SMM showcases both. I wish you a fair, full of opportunities and inspiring